Imagine a school. Hallways, classrooms, desks and chairs. A teacher is standing in a classroom and students are seated at their desks listening to her. As a result of school closures during the COVID-19 pandemic, educational methods such as teaching and learning outside the classroom and place-based education have been brought to the forefront. But what does it actually mean? Place-based education is an educational approach based on the relationship between the educational process and the physical place in which students live and learn. It is an approach that relies on the local environment and the community as starting points for teaching and learning in all subjects. Teachers who apply this pedagogy establish connections between the students and the local community, the natural surroundings and the architecture. Many of these learning processes take place outside the classroom. This approach has many advantages. It has been proven to improve academic attainment, and it helps to establish meaningful relationships between the learners, their environment and the community. Researchers from Tel Aviv University, Professor Miri Yemini from the School of Education and Dr. Efrat Blumenfeld-Lieberthal from the School of Architecture conducted a study that examines the teaching and learning processes outside the classroom and the ability and uses of various environments near schools in several regions across Israel. The study found significant differences between the quantity and quality of available public areas near schools across different parts of the country. However, no differences were found in the implementation of place-based education between schools located in wealthy neighbourhoods and those in poorer neighbourhoods. Differences related to the culture of the community, the nature of the school, and the degree of autonomy given to the school staff were found as well. The study shows that in order to develop teaching and learning practices of place-based education, there is need for clear and consistent vision concerning integration of place-based education in schools' routines, providing training and continuous support to the teachers, allow teachers meaningful autonomy. For more information, please contact us.